Hey guys, it's Ryan, and today I am a noob. This is my first gaming headset that I've ever bought. Probably because I'm not into gaming that much, which is okay. I can like tech and still not be into gaming, right? But this is, honestly, I bought this one because it was the cheapest one from a brand that I knew, Corsair. This is their Void RGB Elite, and I actually really want to get this for my boys because they're doing a lot of their schoolwork from home right now. If you're watching this in 2020, you know why. But they need a good headset that has a microphone on it to do some of their schoolwork. So we're just going to open it up and take a look and see what's inside. And then sometime in the future, we will do a full kind of review and see how this guy works. But I'm excited to look into it. Let's go ahead and pop this guy open. Then we can start using it. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. Do we just slide out here? Is that what we're doing? There it is. Wow. Extra brownie points for presentation here. Got one little guy here. Should probably sharpen that knife. There they are. Look at those. Ooh, nice and soft. Okay. So there's the headset. It's pretty nice. It's wireless, by the way, which is... I got a little kid that's like 1 year old, so he gets the cables. So everything I can do that's wireless is what I'm trying to do. All right, what do we got here? So we've got a USB cable, a windscreen for the microphone. Don't eat these. And some instructions. Cool. So these are the Corsair Void Elite wireless headphones, which also include RGB, which I probably won't be using too much. Well, my kids do like colors, so maybe I'll use it for them. Okay, so let's get some of this packaging off the table. And that too. Okay, so there's the headset. Look at that. It's got that little perforation on there. That's kind of nice. And these guys. There they go. Ah, let's try them on. Ooh. Ooh. Those are soft. Even with the glasses on, it's not bad. Yes, sir. Cool. All right, so let's put those there. Here's the windscreen. I don't know if we're going to use the windscreen too much, but we shall see. Ooh, that has some plastic on it, which I don't think I got it all. Not even a little bit. Fail. Fail on the pull. There we go. Yeah? No? Ah, there we go. Okay. That's all that. And then we've got the good stuff on the side here. Let's take a look. Oh, that wasn't nearly as satisfying. Come on. We need a little bit more satisfying noise than that. Okay, here's the USB cable, like none I've ever seen before. Fail again. There we go. That's pretty cool though. So wired into the computer as if it's an audio interface type thing. We've got on the bottom here, let's see if we can get this, USB, and I'm guessing this is volume up and down, mute and power. Cool. Let's got any battery in it? Ooh, look at that. Ooh, he's glowing, different colors. Thing I will say is it's not that compact, but it's a gaming headset. You don't really need it to be compact. It's interesting. These are wireless headphones, but they are not Bluetooth, which I did not know, but now I do. So it's kind of like the Logitech mice and other mice and keyboards that require a wireless transceiver. This will plug into the computer, and then this will connect to it. So very cool. This also has a mic up down, which I think I knew about this. You put it down like this, it is unmuted. If you flick it up, it's muted, and it shows you that by the red there. So if you flick it down, the red goes away. Flick it up, and you can hear the beep. See? Pretty crazy. All right, well, we're gonna get into these with my boys. We'll hook these up to our Mac PC and try it out and see how they work, and then we'll get back to you. So that's pretty much it for these. The Void Elite, $80 on Amazon. I'll put a link down below for those. They feel really comfortable, and they should be for the amount of time you're actually going to spend wearing these while you're gaming or doing other things. And they are relatively, let me look, they fold up like that. That's kind of nice. So that was an unboxing of the Corsair Void Elite RGB headphones, fully wireless headphones, with the help of a little dongle here. If you guys like that, go ahead and subscribe, share, hit the bell, all that fun stuff. You can follow us on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. We have a Facebook page, all that fun stuff. Yeah, so we'll see how these go, and we'll make a video when we have a chance to try them out. See you guys later.